Hello, today we're talking about how to use 405 print tickets which has time, date, product name, and gross weight in the tickets. This is connect to floor scale for recycle place. So first, when the scale is empty and the weight should be 0. If not 0, press 0 button to 0 scale. Put item on the scale, press print button or F1 button. Both buttons have same function. Press print button, you will ask your product ID. So right now it has 1 to 12 product in the memory. So you can choose, for example, I choose 1, press enter. You will say tickets saved and print the tickets. So the tickets looks like this. So you have time, date, product name, and gross weight. So if you need other tickets, you can press the print button to reprint the tickets. For example, you will reprint the tickets. If you need other weight or other transaction, you need move item below the minimum weight. The minimum weight right now is set up to 10 kg. This means if you put anything over 10 kg, then press the button to print the tickets. But for next weight, you have to remove all items net weight below the 10 kg and then put weight on. So for example, I move all items and put other item in on the scale, then press print button. You will save this in the memory. Otherwise, it wouldn't save, you only reprint the tickets. So you will ask your product ID again, press 2, save tickets, print tickets. So this is the option, this is operation of this scale. Next we talk about how to change some settings. So you see this button here, is set up, press setup button, you need a code to enter the menu. So the default password is 1, press 1, or you can change password you want. Press enter. So 0 key here is enter key in this case. So the tickets, the first show tickets menu. If you press unit key, we go to product menu, setup menu, or time date. So in here you can, in tickets menu, you can delete all the tickets in the memory, or you can export tickets to the USB. In here, in product menu, you can add or edit the product, delete one product, delete all the product, export product to USB stick, or import from USB stick. Setup key used to change minimum weight and password. Time date is to change time date. So for example, tickets, we press enter key, go to export. Press unit key is delete all. Press again to go to export. Press enter. You found 5 tickets, we export. After done this, you will ask you, do you need delete that? You can say, oh, this is the tickets. This is the tickets. I just export. So it comes with time, date, product type, gross, and unit. Time, date, product name, weight, and unit. So in here you see delete, or you can choose press enter. We wouldn't delete anything. But if you choose press unit key, you go to yes, you will delete all the transaction. In the product, if you choose product, press enter. It has add or edit, delete one, delete all, export, import. So this one is to enter new one or change existing one. Press enter. You said I want to change the name of product one. Press enter. Then you can enter whatever you need here. You use keyboard. You see A. If you want to press A, then press, for example, I want A. This is A. Press B. 2 again will go to B. So for example, A, C. Then wait. Then wait. Then wait. So this is the way to enter your name. You press enter to accept. You will save. Or you can delete one product or delete all the product. Or I show you export. Press enter. Font 12 will export all to your USB stick. The file name will call product.csv. Product.csv. Or you can import. If you want to change something, you can open that product.csv, open it, and change whatever you need or add a new one. Then go to save to the same file name. Then plug to indicator. You see. Are you sure? Press Unit key. Yes. You will import that like that. You can press any key, setup key or F1 key to get out this menu. Next I will show you to change time date. This time date. Press enter. Enter time. The first is hour. Minimum. This minutes. Enter again. Second. Year. Month. Date. Then exit. That's all for today. Thank you for your watching. Bye bye.